This country house is located near Roccaspinalveti, a beautiful village in the Abruzzo region. The property avails of 2,760 square meters of flat land, where we can find some fruit trees and also some olive trees. The land also enjoys a beautiful panoramic view of the surrounding mountains. On the first floor, where the main entrance is situated, we find a long corridor, and immediately on the right we find a large kitchen with a fireplace. Right opposite to the kitchen we find a bright room currently used as a bedroom that can be easily converted into a large living room, with a window overlooking the terrace. Proceeding down the corridor, we can find a double bedroom with a balcony. Another double bedroom. A single bedroom. And finally, a full bathroom with a bathtub. An internal staircase leads us to the ground floor, where we find a bathroom with shower facilities, a large and bright room currently used as a big dining room, but that can be converted into a bedroom. On this floor there is also a small kitchen. This floor avails of an independent entrance, so it can be used as a small self-contained flat. The property also avails of a large room of 32 square meters with an outside entrance that can be converted into a second self-contained studio apartment. Outside, we can also find a large garage and a storage room. All utilities are connected and the house also avails of central heating system. This ready-to-live-in country house with land, situated near Roccaspinalveti, is on the market for €85,000.